All right, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I also run a business. So what about the flip side? What are some nice tools to have for your business? I think this one's going to help you guys a lot. All right, so we are back here at the office where I spend some time. I'm not here as much as I, used to be before when we did paper invoices, everything in person, stuff like that. There are certain softwares and services that can help your business out essentially tremendously. And you're going to explore one of them with me right now because I was honestly kind of amazed by this type of service because I can attest to using these kinds of services for the past year and a half now, and I can kind of give you some street cred credentials, whatever you want to call it, some proof as far as how it's helped us in our business. So when you think of marketing, a lot of the times you can get away and you can start with word of mouth, cold calling, or cold knocking, I guess you would call it. Even in the restaurant side of things where I work, mostly in restaurants, hospitals, commercial buildings. Some guys do like car dealerships. Like there's a lot of places that have AC, have refrigeration, we don't do big supermarkets, but maybe like a smaller supermarket. And they find us through some of our marketing that we put in place. Every time I ask them, how did you find us? Loved your website, or they filled out a form on the website, or they got in contact with us because of a Google search basically, and which led them to the website. They trusted us. We put a lot of photos on our website, on our Google business profile as well. And all of that translates in today's world where it's more so online presence, branding. Before they even talk to you, they need to make up their mind like, hey, they look legit, they look professional, I want to give them a call. So just from doing that in the past year or so, like I mentioned, we've gotten some pretty good accounts from it, including Sprouts. We got Wingstops. We got the Stars drive-ins. If you're familiar with those, they're not everywhere, but we have 11 stores here. And most recently, just the other week, Chick-fil-A. Now, a lot of these use a third party to communicate, to dispatch, to do everything, and they're actively looking for service companies and good ones at that, because they'll all mention to me, we didn't want to go with this company or that company for whatever reason. And, we really liked that you're a family-owned business. All your information is online. We took a deep dive into your website and everything that you offer. We like the kind of work that you do. Me personally, I do put my work out on YouTube and social media, so they could easily just find me and see what I do on the day-to-day. So I just wanted to give you guys a little proof as to what this can do for you. Now, the one I'm going to talk to you today specifically is Topline Pro, and we're going to kind of go through the website and see what you would get out of it or what you would encounter. And I'm learning myself too, because I recently kind of went all in to try this, and there was a few features, including that it can help you build up your social media. So I just made an account for my company, which is separate from what I do, because I post like memes, and sometimes I might rant or talk about different things and lifestyle stuff. And, there's a bunch of stuff on mine that doesn't always show the rest of the company, right? All the other technicians, all the other services we offer, all that kind of stuff. And that's where I made a different profile, and Topline Pro is actually running that. Going forward, you can also find it at reliablehvacr.net. And we scroll down. This is toplinepro.com/reliablehvacr. We click on that. It takes you to this landing page, and it says that I use it, which is true. Anything that you guys see me promote, talk about, whether it's tools, software, any services that I'm telling you or recommending, it's because I actually use their services and I actually like it, or it's proven to, give me results. So if you click the try for free link here, you're actually going to get a whole free custom website that they will build and show you, and you can kind of go back and forth with it before you even, acquire their services. They can show you what they can do. Now, our website has been fleshed out. They did it within minutes. And all I have to do is go back in and make sure that I make any tweaks, any little adjustments that I need, any little, design changes that I want to do. I can do that and communicate that with them. This one by far, because I've tried a few, has been really responsive. And you might be like, oh, they're sponsoring you. Even other marketing teams that I've been sponsored by, the communication is not great. It's just who they are. That's what they do for a living. And if I have a bad experience, I can't recommend it to you. So with this one, I've had a good experience. I've had good communication. They've done what I've wanted them to do. And I've been really busy, but I need to, keep looking it over, keep making changes, keep, making sure, because I always view things as a consumer and how I would want my customer to, have this experience when they go to my website, call us, ask us for work or a quote, whatever it is. All of that I take into consideration. I'll make sure that it's fine tuned, but it's been really great off the rip. Stay in demand with online presence. So this is going to help you with your Google search, which is your SEO. If you don't have a Google business profile, you can do that on your own, but they can also kind of guide you. If you don't know how, if you've never done it, you're a little bit lost, they can guide you. They have awesome people that can actually help you with ads or anything like that. Like they can do a lot. We're just going to go over what it covers basically right now at the core basics, what you get if you sign up or get the demo. And then later I can answer any questions, or I can go further as I figure things out. And this is a cool part too. You get a little area where it shows all of your projects. You can upload pictures, you can do a lot of stuff, and it'll kind of build out this like map and something for your area, so people can see like, oh, they cover this amount of space in my area, and I can go look at the pictures before and after, any construction jobs, any repairs that you've done, anything that is worthwhile to kind of show the customer, which I think any and every job that you do, take some pictures. You can document it for, your invoices, or just showing the customer, because I have some that ask for pictures for proof every single time. So it's always a good habit to take pictures, and you can use those to your benefit with your business, because that is a lot of good advertising, is just showing the work that you do. I mean, you don't have to have the fluff, the fancy editing, any of that stuff. You just need real photos, real work, and something like this, if you don't know what to do with it, to kind of guide you and do a lot of the stuff for you automated. So we're mainly using them for the website, but I'm probably going to start using a lot of their other features. Like I said, I need to kind of dive into it and explore and see what else they can do for us. But the main thing is a website. A professional looking website goes a long way. I've always said you got to look the part to get the part. And not only that, it's just what is your competition doing? They're probably spending thousands and thousands of dollars monthly just in marketing, whether it's ads, billboards, websites, a lot of stuff, right? So they put a lot of money into it. This right here is going to only run you a couple $100 a month, and they offer so much. All right, so I'm just getting into my dashboard and kind of looking around. So this here can keep track of like the views that you get, the requests that you get, text messages that come through, gives your Google kind of dashboard here as to how it's doing. It can even compare you to some of the local competitors. You can get creative. Like I said, they can spend all the money on marketing because they have all that money. They've been around for 20, 40 years. They have a hold on the market. Their names or vans are everywhere. If you're starting out or you're a small business, you can compete with these guys. And I just tell you from experience, because I'm doing it right now. I'm actually getting requests, like I mentioned, those companies earlier that have gone through our website to call us. They actually tell me we don't want, and these are only showing me like, these are more like residential companies. I deal with a lot of heavy commercial companies that we have the same clients, right? Like restaurants and hospitals. A lot of times they tell me, yeah, we know of so-and-so, biggest company here. We don't want them. We like you. We like your business model, right? Family business. You know, you guys do good work. It looks like you guys do a heavy amount of repairs, not just brand new equipment. You know, photos in your website can tell a lot to a customer as to how you work, what you value, and then they can decide if they want to hire you. So I have smart posting on. They went through this with me. It's going to automatically make these weekly posts, or you can go in there and make them yourself. And it's going to try and have these going out in a timely manner. You can come in, you can review them, you can edit them, you can delete them, whatever you need to do. And it's just going to be a ton of them. I really like these that have all the graphics on them. This is just using the picture, but they can also do this where it kind of amplifies it. From what I've seen, I still need to mess around with it, but that's not anything that I did. That's how they're doing it. That the title, the color, the background, that's all that wasn't how the photo was. And that's a big thing because these go out, like I said, on your social media and your business profile, but it also goes out to your website as a blog post. Because if you think about it, which I hadn't, somebody, whether it's a homeowner, I think a lot of this benefits more homeowner service companies, but I've been asking my customers, where do you look? Where do you find us? What, like, how do you go about when you need service for something? A lot of them just do a Google search. The one that I'm not super familiar with right now, I've heard is Chat GPT searches. That's a whole other thing. I need to get into that and figure that out. But for the most part, like Google searches, right? So if somebody is looking and it makes sense, they got a duct issue, duct repair in my area, duct repair this or that, whatever city, you can come out as a top search just because of this posting feature. That I think is genius when you can get these leads from social media posting. And like I said, it's a blog post as well on your website. Like if somebody needs something super specific, they'll find you. Leak repair, duct repair, change outs, upgrades, vent, duct cleaning, whatever it is that you do, you can be super specific and these posts will help you with that. And what that looks like, I can show you the website that they made for us. Now, I like to keep it super simple and clean. This, I think, looked pretty great for us. And you can kind of go through it, see all the services we do. It has all these pictures of different equipment that we do. I'm going to build this out, to have all the manufacturers and brands that we deal with. I also eventually want to put like all the stores that we have. So like if somebody sees us and they're like, oh, they're a small business. Oh, but they have Chick-fil-A, they have Sprouts, they have all Papa John's, Domino's. We have all those accounts and I can kind of put them on here just to build a little resume for that. A little side note, like I said, we'll get into it. If you have any questions, let me know. They offer, I don't know if you saw this tab over here. They offer invoicing, they offer quoting, Google Ads. Like you can do a lot with this one software. Reach out, check the link, talk to Topline Pro, let them know that I sent you over and get started off on the right foot. Thank you for Topline Pro for helping my business out and sponsoring today's video. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down below. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you guys.